Hello everyone, you're cooking with me again today. Yes you are. And today we're gonna make some fried chicken. Okay? So unplug this for a second. So like that, so this will stay on top of the fridge. Like that. Okay. Okay, there you go. Perfect, I would think. Alright, so this calls some couple things, okay? We're going to get some panko right here. I'll show you what I'm using in a second. And I'm going to use a couple of bowls. So alright, so now we're going to get some eggs. Maybe 2 eggs will be good. So now we'll get 2 things of eggs. Oh, might as well toss the chicken first. So let me get my chicken out of here. Okay. Oh, 2 days of chicken. Okay. So now I'm going to put some on this for sure. This I'll leave out so they know what to get. Alright, so let's get this green plate right here. And we'll get some scissors because it's going to be tough to open. So got one of these open. That on there. Sorry guys, taking a while for me to open these. I should have done it before I started the video, but sorry about that. Oh, open up land quick, go faster. Alright, now I want to defrost this for 2 minutes. Alright. So now put this in the microwave. Okay, time defrost 2:00. Say power level 10. And start. Okay, there's 1 egg. And, oh, it's a shell in there. Oh, time to flip these over. Alright. So now we'll whisk it up. Place a whisker just like this. Okay, so now I'm going to do this. Now that's all whisk stuff. We'll put it in. Okay. Now we'll dump some of this in here. Just like that. Should this didn't expire? Nope. Okay. This thing expires well. Let's just do this expiration date. 10/20/20. Okay, so this egg is good. Good. Alright. So So now I'll put this on here and warm it up. Just like that. Okay. And now, you take this out. Alright. And you, do this. Oh god damn, I'm making a mess. Yeah, might as well do it like that, right? That's why I just called for some oil. So. Come on, you. Get out of there. Don't get out of there. Get out of there. There we go. Maybe I'll turn this down to the medium. Maybe we'll put some oil on there. I think that should be enough. God damn. Should put it right there to begin with. Oh well. Next time I should get a bigger bowl. There you go, just let them cook. I'm also getting top, right? So. This will fit on there. Nope, that's too small. Alright guys, I'll be back until it's time to flip them over. Alright you guys, now I'm gonna mix the onion rings. So, we'll get some onion rings out of here. Alright. And what you hear is chicken, so. Go ahead, bake. Temperature 400. And start. Alright Alright you guys, I'll be back. Alright you guys, I think it's time to flip these over. So I'm going to use my tongs. Well, that's not ready yet. Let me see if this one is ready. Nope, not yet. So we just turn this temperature up just a little bit. Alright guys, I'll be back. Alright guys, trying to see if 50's over again. So now we'll see this turn 50 over. Nope, not ready yet. I was going to turn this off just a little bit more. Like about there, second dot. Alright guys, I'll be back. Alright, hey guys, time to see if we flipped over again. So, not quite, almost there. Let's see this one. Oopsies, I didn't even flip this one yet. Almost there. Now just a little bit more between the red dot and the high, just to get the cloak a bit quicker. Alright, be back in a minute. Alright guys, try to see if 50's over again. I could just turn this down just a little bit. Now I have to never hit the middle button because last time I hit the base button. So I'm on now. Ah, damn. Yeah, we'll call that good. Damn, this hot motherfucker. Woo! Splashing on me. Let's get my plate over here. And let's see if it's ready. That's almost done. That's almost done as well, so we'll give it a few minutes. We'll be back. Alright guys, now let's check to see if it's ready. So, that's done. And yep, I think we're good. Now we can shut this off. Okay. We'll quite closer so that it won't, you know. There it is, your fried chicken. Alright. Okay, I don't know why it's beeping on me, but whatever. Just dump that. Just like that. I'm gonna let the water, let this go down by turning on the water. Oh wow, look at that. I have to empty out that garbage thing there. I'm gonna have to do that later. Alright. So now I'll take the onion rings out of here as well. Get some tongs. This as well. And you just go like that. God damn it. That's why I pour is queen. It's eligible. It's eligible to eat it, so. Forget about that one. Okay. Alright, you guys. So now we'll unplug your IV like that. Put you up here. Give me the fork as well. Alright you guys, here we go, first bite. It's good and tender. Really good and tender. Bye guys.